One beautiful morning, Elsa was walking through her snowy kingdom when she noticed something strange. A cold wind blew in from the ocean, and a mysterious glow appeared on the horizon. As she walked closer, Elsa saw something that shocked her, an icy version of Moana, her brave friend from the islands. The ice Moana looked just like the real Moana, but her skin shimmered like ice, and her hair was made of sparkling snowflakes. She stood on a patch of frozen ocean, staring out at the sea with a sad expression. "What's happening?" Elsa asked, worried. She had never seen anything like this before. Suddenly, the real Moana appeared, sailing toward Elsa on her trusty canoe. "Elsa, I saw it too," she called. "A strange magic turned me into her. What is going on?" Elsa thought for a moment. It seems like the magic that created her came from the sea. We need to figure out why. Moana and Elsa joined forces. They decided to travel across the icy ocean to find the source of the strange magic. Along the way, the ice Moana followed them, mimicking everything Moana did but with a cold, frosty twist. When Moana sang her song, Ice Moana sang too, but her voice echoed with a chilly breeze. "Maybe the ocean spirits are trying to send us a message," Moana said. "We need to find out what they want." After a long journey, they reached a huge ice mountain where the skies sparkled like diamonds. At the peak, they found a glowing stone, the source of the magic. The stone was frozen in a block of ice, and it pulsed with a soft light. Elsa stepped forward. "I can feel the magic. It's powerful, but it's not meant to harm anyone. It's just confused." With a wave of her hand, Elsa used her ice magic to carefully remove the stone from the block. The moment she touched it, the ice Moana began to glow even brighter. Then the stone spoke. "I was created by the ocean spirits to protect the sea, but I lost my way. I saw your bravery, Moana, and wanted to show you how strong you are. But the magic became tangled and made a frozen version of you." Moana smiled and stepped forward. "Thank you for showing me my strength, but I don't need to be frozen to be brave." Elsa nodded in agreement. "We can all be strong in our own way. The real magic is in our hearts." With a final wave, Moana sang a song of gratitude, and the stone shimmered one last time before returning to the ocean. The ice Moana smiled, and in an instant, she turned back into the ocean breeze. The icy magic melted away, and the sea was calm once more. Moana and Elsa hugged each other, thankful for the adventure. "We make a great team," Moana said with a grin. "Yes, we do," Elsa agreed, her heart warm with friendship. And so, the two friends sailed back to their homes, knowing that their bond could overcome any magic, no matter how mysterious.